I have Panasonic Eluga Tapp, and let me show you how to wipe cache partition on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's press power key, choose power off, and tap OK to confirm it. Then let's wait a couple of seconds until your device will be completely switched off. And you have to use the following combination of keys, power key and volume up. Let's hold down together those two keys, power key and volume up. Keep holding both keys and let's release both of them as soon as boot mode pops up on the screen. As you can see, the boot mode pops up. Here you can navigate by using volume up and confirm options by pressing volume down. Let's choose here recovery mode, press volume down to confirm it, and wait a couple of seconds. Alright, so as you can see, the Android system recovery pops up, so here you can navigate by using both volume keys and confirm options by pressing power key. Let's scroll down here to choose wipe cache partition and press power key to confirm it. The phone is whipping the cache files and the Android system recovery pops up, so here you can now only press the power key to reboot system now, and the phone is restarting and booting into a normal mode, so let's wait a couple of seconds. Alright, the home screen pops up, so now you can start using your device in a normal way. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.